Welcome to the 30-day fitness challenge. If you have not joined the Facebook group, make sure you join it. It is free, and I'm going to be giving out some prizes throughout the challenge. So today, ladies, today is going to be a core cardio day. So we're going to be doing some cardio, but we're going to be engaging that core with the cardio, okay? So we're going to be sweating, going to get some abs, you know, it's going to be great, okay? So let's get started. All right, so first we're going to get started with about a minute of some cardio. I'm going to be doing my jump ropes, but if you don't have jump ropes, you can just move your hands like you're doing jump ropes. All right, give me some high knees. Get that heart pumping for this cardio we're about to do. If you have not did your warm up, make sure you do your warm up before you do this video, okay? So pause it, come back. All right, 20 seconds. You're doing some in and outs. Almost there. 10 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, ladies. So for this exercise, you're actually gonna need some dumbbells. One dumbbell is fine. So I'm using a 5-pound dumbbell for today's workout. Use whatever you have. I suggest you don't go any higher than about 10 pounds. All right, so first exercise is gonna be weighted knee to elbow. So you're here, you're gonna reach and bring that knee in. Okay, we're gonna do one side at a time. So make sure that you're balancing. This is a balance and a core workout. If you don't know, your core has a lot to do with your balance, okay? So we are bringing the core in and out. Nice and controlled, okay? All right, we're gonna do the other side in about 20 seconds. So, same thing, nice and controlled. Weight is in the air. You're gonna bring that knee to your hand and squeeze. Now, if your balance is bad, this might be challenging, but work on it, okay? How you get better, let's go. Crunch. Crunch, crunch those abs. Nice and controlled, okay? We're working that core. You got this. 10 seconds. Balance, crunch. Whoop. Almost fell there. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, next exercise. Same dumbbell. We're gonna do a front squat to a kick. So you're gonna need 2 dumbbells for this. You actually can go a little heavier if you can, okay? So for this one, you might have to go a little bit heavier. So for this one, you need to put the weight right here on your chest and you're gonna hold it, okay? So we're gonna do a front squat with a kick. So holding it here, not on your shoulders. Right here, you're gonna squat and then you're gonna kick. Now this is a slow movement. We're really trying to focus on engaging that core without getting on the floor and doing crunches, okay? So when you put the weight here on your chest, this is a front squat, and you're actually engaging your core a little bit more. Okay, so next exercise, we're actually gonna put the weights down, okay? So you're gonna give me a squat, toe touch. So kind of the same thing we just did. Hands behind your head, you're gonna go down, come out, touch the toe, and then alternate. Ready? Whew. Let's go. We're gonna squat, touch the toe. Now bring that foot up as high as you can. If you notice, you're engaging your core to get that leg up. Slow it down too. Go slow. You don't want to just be kicking. You want to go down, nice and controlled. Engage that core, 3 seconds. All right, great. Next exercise is gonna be a side knee to a jack. So it's kind of the same thing, but now we're gonna do a jack and then knee. Jack then knee. Okay, now if you can't do the jack, just give me a knee. But I want you to attempt to do the jack. Ready? Let's go. Jack, knee. Crunch those obliques. Woo. You got this, 10 seconds. Woo. Woo. All right, we got a 45-second break. So I wanted to come on here real quick while you guys are taking a break to tell you about Magic Spoon cereal, okay? Magic Spoon is a company that I'm affiliated with. They make the best like low-carb, sugar-free cereal. So if you're living a low-carb lifestyle and you really miss having like that childhood type cereal, I'm telling you, Magic Spoon is the best. And if you're keto, it's even better for keto. So if you want to try, you can use my discount code to get free shipping, okay? I'll leave it in the description. We got 2 more rounds to go. Back to that first exercise. Grab your 5-pound weight. The knee to elbow, you're here. Starting with the right leg, go. Crunch and down. Crunch and down. Crunch. Make sure you're crunching those abs. Now, you can do this without a weight if you need to, okay? So if the weight is too much, feel free to put that weight down, but keep going. Woo, all right, other side. You ready? 5 seconds. Let's go. And crunch, down, and crunch. Crunch. Make sure that foot is behind you, okay? So when we're setting, see, oh, Lord, I almost fell. When we're setting, my foot is behind me. Okay, so don't just set it down like this. I want you to put that foot behind you and crunch. All right, front squat, grab your weights. I'm gonna go up to my 10-pound weights for this. You're gonna put your weight in the chest, okay? You're holding it up with your arms, the weight is in your chest. All right, so we're gonna squat and kick. I'm using my core to keep my chest up. When you put the weight in front of you, it engages the core a little bit more. Keep it going. We got 5 seconds. Woo. Okay. Next, put those weights down. All right, next we got the squat touch. The squat toe touch, hands behind your head. Let's go. Squat, touch your toe. Get low. Keep that chest up. Bring your foot to your hand. You got this, ladies. Come on. Halfway there. Woo. Woo, break. Okay. Side knee to elbow with jack. Okay? So we're here, adding in that jack. Woo. I'm out of breath, y'all. Let's go. Now, if you need to pause and catch your breath, feel free to do that. I'd rather you do that than to cheat yourself with these sets, okay? So pause it, catch your breath, give yourself another 10 seconds or so, and keep it going. Come on, ladies, 5 seconds. Woo. Okay, 45 seconds. Okay, catch your breath, get some water. We have one more set, and then we're gonna do a 2-minute challenge, okay? We're gonna do a challenge, but we're gonna focus on the core more, okay? So we got one more set, 2-minute challenge, then we're done. So after today, ladies, after this workout, I'm gonna do a little bit more cardio, burn some calories. All right, get your weight. Let's start from this side this time. Ready, let's go. Crunch, down, balance. All about balance right now. Crunch, down, crunch, down. Woo. 5 seconds. Woo. See what happens when I lose my focus. If you want to focus on your balance, look at one thing and focus on it. You see how every time I try to look at the camera, I lose my balance. Focus on one thing in front of you, and you'll get better at balance. Let's go. As soon as you start to look around, you're gonna lose focus. Look at one thing, and lock eyes with that. It'll make a big difference in your balance. Woo. Okay. Front squats, grab your weights. You can go a little heavier with this one if you can. I'm using 10 pounds. I can probably go up to about 20, but I'm not for this video. But you at home, push yourself. Okay, let's go. Squat, kick. If you can't get your leg that high, that's fine. Get up as high as you can. Make sure you're getting it up for you to activate your core. Whew. Okay. Weight down. Squat, toe touch. Hands behind head. Almost there, ladies. Woo. Okay. You're gonna squat, touch toe. This is a really good way to activate the core. For those of you who have a hard time doing crunches on the ground. 5 seconds, ladies. Last set, come on. One more exercise after this. Woo. All right, we ready for those side knee jacks? I think that's what I call them. Almost done, ladies. All right, let's go. Come on, ladies. Give me everything you got. Let's go. Push through. 10 seconds, go. All right, ladies, completed. That's the end of that round. Next, we got that 2-minute challenge. So go ahead, grab some water, catch your breath. I'm going to show you what the next exercises are going to be. Woo, I felt that one. Woo. Okay, so for the 2-minute challenge, 30-second plank, 10-second break, 30-second bicycle, 10-second break. That break is just for you to get in place for the next exercise. So this 2 minutes is gonna push you, it's gonna challenge you, your abs gonna hurt, but keep going, okay, push through. If you gotta stop for a couple seconds, that's fine, but Keep going. It's only like 2 minutes. That's it. Starting with the plank. Get in plank position. 30 seconds. Plank position. Let's go. On your hands, just like this. Keep that core tight. So make sure your butt is not in the air. You don't want your butt up here. Bring that butt down. Now for a modified version, go down to your knees, but keep that core engaged, okay? You don't want to be up here. That's not a plank. Bring it down, okay? Core tight. Keep that core tight and strong. All right, great. Next, bicycle crunches. Get on your back. On your back, bicycle crunches just like this. Okay? Ready? Let's go. Knee to elbow. Now, if you can't touch your elbow, that is perfectly fine. Just do it as best as you can. Okay? See how I'm really leaning over, touching that knee. That's engaging your obliques. You got this, ladies. Come on. 5 seconds. Let's go. Woo! Okay. We got one more round with planks. See, that wasn't even so bad. 30 second plank. Let's go. Ready? 30 seconds go. Let's go. Okay, keep going. Woo. Supposed to be 3 seconds. All right, break. I think that was 30 seconds. I'm not sure. All right, bicycle crunches. My timer messed up on me. That's okay. We're gonna do it again. All right, bicycle crunches. Let's go. Halfway, come on. Woo! Oh. All right, ladies. So, congratulations on finishing day 9 of the challenge. We did some core cardio. Now, look, if you guys want to do these exercises 2 to 3 times, I suggest you do it. These exercises are short for a reason, so that way you guys can repeat it 2 or 3 times for a full workout, okay? But do as much as you can. If all you got is 1 round, that's better than nothing, okay? So, I'll see you guys on day 10. Whew, I'm gonna catch my breath. See you guys soon. Bye, guys.
To be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me.